Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have the cardstock, the pattern paper, and the embellishment add-on. You can add 1, 2, or all 3. Also check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates and you can get more pattern paper and embellishments that way. I'll link to that video at the end. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you'll get in each add-on. So the first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on, and I leave the pattern paper here so you can see how well it coordinates with the collection, also how you might intermingle different collections with each other. So starting with the Toddler Time from 49th and Market, you're going to get 2 sheets of blueberry and 1 sheet of peach. For Lucky Charm from Echo Park, you're going to get 2 sheets of pastel blue and 1 sheet of Yukon Gold. For the Blossoms and Bees from Echo Park, you're going to get 2 sheets of raspberry and 1 sheet of parakeet. And then from the Sweetest Honey collection from Photo Play Paper, you're going to get 2 sheets of evergreen and 1 sheet of mustard. So you can see you can do double page layouts with your cardstock if you want, do some matting of your photos, some die cuts, whatever you like. Next, we're going to look at the patterned paper, and I'm going to kind of fold it up here a little bit. So for the pattern paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional sheets for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are duplicates. Cardstocks are not duplicates. They're all different. So for Toddler Time, you're going to get this paper here in the cards, which is super cute. It has this fun background page. You could just add a photo right there and some journaling and call it done. The back is a polka dot with that green. Again, a full branding strip with a little black lace at the bottom. This paper for Toddler Time is called Clippings, and it's kind of like bits of a book, a yellow house, green trees, things that you would see like in a toddler book. The back is a black plaid, super cute. For Lucky Charm, Echo Park, you're going to get this, which has all of the different clovers and the lucky horseshoe. The back is the plus sign, two-toned green. This is called Lucky Charms. Then we have the little leprechaun hats and his pipe. And the back is a green plaid on the diagonal. This one's called Leprechaun Luck. And then Blossoms and Bees from Echo Park. We have this beautiful kind of hand-drawn floral on that dark navy. The back is a peach design. This is called Sweet Blossoms. We have the trucks with the spring florals, clouds in the sunshine, and the watering bucket. The back is a small floral, tone-on-tone yellow. That's called Spring Day Trucks. And then Sweetest Honey. Have the beautiful daisy on the blue. The back, I love these papers. So you have 2 6x8 patterns and then some 4x4 blocks. You could use these the way they are, cut them down. Lots of options there. That's called Daisy May. This one's Welcome Plaid, and it's a yellow and black plaid with the polka dots on the other side. And you could see how this could even go into your Lucky Charm collection as well. So after you make your layouts, kind of take some of your leftovers and mix and mingle them. Okay, one more look at the patterned paper. So much yumminess. Next, we're going to take a look at the embellishment add-on, and this is always a lot of fun. So for Toddler Time and 49th and Market, you're going to get some of the epoxy stickers. It doesn't look like that's showing up very well. Let's see if I can get some light. I don't know what's happened to my light, but it doesn't look like it's really showing up. But we have some little icons. Of course, all of these will be different, but some of it will be the same. We have little dots, ones that have words, hearts, and the airplanes and the little animals. For the Lucky Charm from Echo Park, you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. And this is about half of a pack here, so they will vary. For Blossoms and Bees, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. We have a large scalloped floral, lots of word labels, Welcome Spring, Watch Me Grow. Oh, I love the little snail and the rainbow here. Have a little wreath with floral. So lots of different springtime icons. And of course that cute little truck with its spring blooms. Then for Sweet as Honey from Photo Play Paper, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet for it. We have a small scalloped plaid, word labels. Again, such cute icons and words for titles. Home with a little beehive here. I love it. Sweet, sunny day. You are such a sweet friend. Got a little gnome in there for us gnome lovers. So that is the embellishment add-on for your flavors of the month. One more look at the 3 add-on kits. Don't forget to check out the links to these other videos that will help coordinate with your flavors of the month so you can have it go even further. Also check out all the other kits we have available. We have a card kit, we have the double shot kit, lots of individual items in the store, and lots of past kits or like little single shots. If you just want to give the scrap room a try or different kits a try, be sure to check those out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.